Hello, everyone. I am Anderson Joe, the Foreign Trade Sales Manager at Shenzhen Nuocai Optoelectronics Co., Limited. Today, I would like to introduce our company to you. We specialize in producing cutting-edge LED displays. First, let's take a look at our office. Next, we'll head to the first floor to see our production and aging workshop. These are the standard packaging boxes we use for shipping. Most of our customers' products are exported overseas in these boxes. This gigantic custom-shaped LED globe is a product we made for a client. It's currently a popular design. These black packaging boxes are the flight cases we provide for our customers, facilitating the easy transport of rental displays. These are our aging workshop's holographic film screens and traditional displays. Our products are of stable quality and competitively priced. If you have any needs for LED displays, whether it's cutting-edge crystal film screens, holographic film screens, or traditional LED displays, please contact us. As a leading LED manufacturer, we offer you reliable and stable LED supply options.